Alright, so welcome to this Mapbox course. So I'm Victor, Victor Temprano. I put this course together, and I'll be guiding you through everything, so you'll get very used to hearing my voice throughout here. And we're going to do a lot of mapping, obviously, and this course has a few different chunks to it. It's fairly different. It ranges from just using interfaces in Mapbox Studio all the way to getting into code in GL JS. So you may be approaching this from a few different angles. So I'd encourage you to go through a little bit of the course content, read the descriptions, try to figure out exactly what you need to learn, and go through that. But if you're really just looking to become a bit more of an expert and understand overall what's going on, going through this whole course will really help you have a solid handle on what's happening throughout Mapbox Studio, as well as GLJS, as well as just some concepts around geographic data, handling data, how you find data, those kind of things. So in this introduction, we're just going to go over some of the contents of the course, some of the different sections, and also me. So I am Victor Temprano. I am a map dude. I run a little company called Mapster out here in Vancouver, British Columbia. I have lots of years of experience doing front-end development in all different range of types of work, from small businesses to large companies, designing interfaces or interactive this or that, you name it. So I've done lots of different APIs. I've done, I'm really comfortable at whether it's Mapbox or Leaflet or Google Maps or whatever. So mapping is really the bread and butter of our work and my work. There's some few websites that I've made that you can check out. There's nativeland.ca is a fairly popular one. Done some work with a company called Taro Analytics and my company website Mapster. So I'm hoping that a lot of my experience in kind of teaching and in doing this actual map work is going to translate into helping you understand things a lot more. So in this set of videos, we're gonna go over some coding. There's going to be these different Prezi slideshows that just to kind of help you get oriented, and we're going to go over a lot of different pieces throughout this. Our three broad sections are going to be figuring out the data, getting into Mapbox Studio, and doing Mapbox GL JS. And these are all pretty crucial because when you first come at Mapbox, it's a lot to handle. There's all these different places to put in data. There's all these different options everywhere. There's making maps and styling maps and then loading them onto other places. And then if you're also someone who wants to make your own fully custom map using GLJS, you can really easily get lost amidst all this other Mapbox stuff. So even though Mapbox GLJS or Mapbox Studio or the data could all be separate courses in a sense because they can be disconnected from each other, I wanted to walk through it as though we were making a map together that's using a lot of data from Mapbox Studio. I just feel like it's a little bit better if we really spend the time to understand all of these in concert because that's the most powerful way to use Mapbox. So that being said, basically what we're going to do here is just a lot of videos and just going over and listening to me talk and going through examples. I have got a complaint somewhat recently that some of the code is a little small and hard to follow, so you may have to expand your video to the full size of your screen. I'm sorry about that. I've already finished the course, so I'm not going to go back and re-record everything, but I'm happy to answer any questions or clarify anything that is a little unclear throughout this course. I'm pretty open, so feel free to get in touch with me. You can do it through my company or through Udemy, however you like. So why don't we just get started? So I'll see you in the next section.